many atoms. Atoms are tiny, tiny little ball-shaped spheres. They make all the things around you. Spheres is how to say spheres. Well, all the things apart from, the sun. And plasma in some light bulbs. Energy-saving light bulbs. You breathe air to get oxygen. Yeah, atoms make all the tables, the air, the humans, the paintings, the floor, the ceilings, the walls, cars. You breathe air to get oxygen. Air is 20% oxygen. Oh, 20%. Oxygen atoms go around in pairs. A pair of oxygens is called a molecule of oxygen. O2. Molecule. O2 gives the energy for life. Energy. You breathe out 16% O2 and the 4% of the O2 used to keep you alive has reacted with food to make a 1 carbon 2 oxygen molecule called carbon dioxide, CO2. That's what you breathe out. To keep the trillions of cells in your body alive, you breathe in trillions and trillions of molecules of oxygen in each breath. Most of the atoms in the air you breathe are nitrogen, 79%. Nitrogen atoms go around in pairs, N2. So they are called diatomic molecules. Oxygen molecules, O2, are also diatomic. Di means two, like diversion and divorce. Cookers burn the gas called methane. Methane molecules have 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms. Molecules made from small numbers of atoms bonded together are called simple molecules, e.g. O2, N2CO2, CH4, methane. Molecules made from trillions of atoms bonded together are called giant molecules. A diamond is a carbon molecule made of trillions and trillions of carbon atoms, too many to write, so we use the symbol C. The graphite lead of your pencil is also made of trillions and trillions of carbon atoms. Yes, if you have enough pressure and enough temperature, you can turn the graphite in your pencil into diamonds. And that's how diamond cutting tools, the small diamonds in diamond cutting tools, are made. Graphite. Diamonds are made by the pressure and temperature deep under the Earth's crust, squashing graphite. Industrial diamonds are made this way. Are made by crushing pressures. Atoms and simple molecules are too small to count, so we weigh them. You can also make diamonds by making a gas of carbon, and then it deposits deposition. Well, that's become new. That's making much cheaper 100% diamonds that aren't dug out of the ground, not blood diamonds, industrial ones. Atoms and simple molecules are too small to count, so we weigh them. 1 gram of hydrogen is 603,000 trillion atoms. Hang on. 1,000 million billion trillion. Oh. 1,000 million billion. Yes. billion, trillion. 1,000 million, billion, trillion. There's the trillion. 1,000 million, billion. $603 billion trillion atoms. Saying 603 billion trillion is not scientific, so we use the word mole. Two grams of hydrogen is a mole of hydrogen. H2. 24 balloons full. 32 grams of oxygen is a mole of oxygen molecules. Yes, because each atom is 16. It's mass number 16 in the periodic table. Oxygen is 24 balloons full. Yes, we first started figuring this all out by noticing it was the same amount of gas each time that reacted. Same number of balloons. Same volume. A mole of air molecules is 24 litres, which is the amount of air you breathe in a minute. Enough to fill a bath. Litres. A mole of gas is 24 litres at room temperature. A mole of liquid, yes, is 22.4 at 0 degrees C. A mole of liquid water molecules equals 18 grams of H2O. 18 centimetres cubed, 18 millilitres. Millilitres. One mole is 24 litres. A mole of water molecules is the amount of water that goes. A mole of water molecules is the amount of water you get in your mouth. If someone asks how big is a mole, or how big is a molecule, tell them you can get 603 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 water molecules in your mouth. This mole number takes too long to say, so we round it to 6 and 23 zeros, or more accurately 6.03 times 10 to the 23. Let's make sure this 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 22, 23, yes. 6.03 times 10 to the 23. If someone asks how big is an atom, tell them each H2O molecule has 3 atoms, and you get 6.02 times 10 to the 23 H2O in your mouth. Yes, you can get 18 grams of water in your mouth. Wood and plastic are giant molecules made from lines of carbon atoms bonded to hydrogen atoms, called hydrocarbons. Yes, you can see the lines when you look at wood. The sugar in tea is sucrose. Sucrose is a carbohydrate made of 12 carbon atoms, 22 hydrogen atoms, and 11 oxygen atoms. C12H22O11. Bread, pasta, and pizza base are C12H22O11 molecules joined to make long chains. Glucose is C6H12O6, is made when sucrose is digested. Yes, single atoms are tiny spheres. Sphere shapes. The world's best microscopes can only see the biggest atoms. Atoms that join together in pairs, like oxygen, and nitrogen are called diatomic molecules. Air is nitrogen, 79% nitrogen. N2, 20% oxygen molecules, and 1% argon atoms. Yes, with tiny amounts of other stuff. Argon. N2, H2O2, CO2, H2O, and CH4 are simple molecules because of the small number of atoms in each molecule. Diamond, graphite, wood, and plastic are called giant molecules because trillions of atoms are in each molecule. 6 with 21 zeros is called a mole. Or more accurately, 6.02 times 10 to the 23. Cool! Did you see the one deliberate mistake I made in the spelling? Send me a message. Press my round picture to get more of my videos. Press like, press subscribe. Bye!